All right. Good morning. The neighbors are gonna love this. Very quiet. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Good morning, welcome back. Anonymous Biker USA. As you can see here, whoa, there's deer all over. Holy cow, that was crazy. So it's dark. It's a little after 6 in the morning on a Sunday, and there's a lot of deer on this road. So using my custom Dynamics LED light. Anyways, today's topic, where are we going? We're gonna put together a series of roads that I've shown you all in one ride, 42 miles, technical as can be, and it's referred to as the Georgia Dragon. In my opinion, every bit as good as the Tail of the Dragon, with 70% less of the traffic. So I left early to get up there, so hopefully we'll have the road completely to ourselves. Even though when it's busy, it's not that bad, but I wanted to get up there early. So we're gonna navigate through suburbia here. We got about a 35-40 mile ride to get there. Look at that headlight. Custom Dynamics, way wide on the road. But yeah, stop, get gas, and then we'll get up there. So not much to see except that gigantic house. Not much to see here. So we'll see you at the Dragon. Check out that go-kart right there. That little trailer set up. It's got the battery. Those things are fun. Here you come out, you have the Yahula Creek. In the morning, all the fog. And this guy, I'm stopped here at this little intersection. This guy came walking up, said they're having paraglider races up here. So I heard all these like buzzing sounds. I thought there were sport bikes behind me. And it's these like guys with lawnmowers with parachutes attached to it racing around. So back on. Oh, I see them way over there with the paraglider chutes. But see, you got some nice views here with the awesome road. So there's a bender. And it's steep. Same with this one right here. Start the brake in, go down the third. Here we're actually going to hard trail brake down the second. Yeah, see, here's the bicycle. This is what you got to watch. we are climbing up a mountain. And I mean, if you think Tennessee Tail the Dragon is better, I have to say wrong or Rooney, especially because there's no traffic. I mean, you can do this maybe on a Tuesday morning at the Tail in Tennessee. There's another bicyclist, see? Gotta watch them guys, they're tricky. So I'm a lot of trail braking here, see this? This is woof! Not a lot of room if you got a bicyclist there. So many blind corners. And tar snake in the corner there, that's where you gotta watch. That's slick. Look at this, man. Oh, woo! A hairpin here, right into another hard right. Another cyclist. So we got to pass him. That so pretty amazing road. Now we just finished that really technical awesome section climbing up and down the mountain. And then you have this nice little flat section. And then you have a motorcycle resort, 2 wheels of suches. Food, breakfast, all kind of stuff here. And now this is where the gnarly stuff begins. 180. Part of the Dragon. Now this is all part of that same Dragon. And you have a gas station there. All part of that same Dragon right here. And this is 180. So 60 north to 180 to 129. Deep, steep, steep. Deep, steep, steep. Deep, steep, steep. You're in the Chattahoochee National Forest, Georgia Tail of Dragon, highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget.